So students, now you see that we are going to start exercise 3.4. Everyone read question number 1a. What it says, you see that in a train with 28 bogies, 2740 people were traveling. How many people were traveling? It was 2740. The total number of people it was. Now you see, out of this 1560 were men. So how many were men? 1560. Now we have to find out that how many women are there in the train. So I guess it's very simple. You see that total number of people were given. So how many it was? It was like 2740. So we have written that. You see that in solution. Again we have written about number of men. So what was the number of men? It was 1560. So if we have to find the number of women from there, so we just have to subtract from that. So subtract it. So you can see that in the ones place 0 minus 0 will be 0. 4 minus 6 is it not? It is not possible. So we can carry 1 from the left side, that is from the 7, and it will become 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So the number which is in hundreds place, that is 7, it has become 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And now you see that in thousands place 2 minus 1, so answer we have got as 1. So what is the answer exactly? That number of women is 1180. We are going to number B. You see that the population of a village A is 26,820, and in village B, which is exactly 25 km away, has given the population is 37,648. So we can clearly see from here that in village A and in village B, the more number of people is in village B, isn't it? That is 37,648. So that is we have to find out that how many more people are there in village B. And to find that how many more people are there in village B, we just have to subtract them. How we are going to subtract this? You see that it is 37,648. We will write in above, that is the population of village B. And again you see that population of village A, which is also given 26,820, and we are going to subtract them. And after subtracting, you can see that it is 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 8 is it's not possible, so that we are going to take 1 from the left hand side and it will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And in the thousands place, since it has given 1 to the right hand side, so 7 will become 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0, and ultimately 3 minus 2 is 1. So there are 10,828 more people than village A in village B. Now we are going to talk about number C. So everyone read the question nicely. That a photo album can hold 1600 photos. That means 1600 photos. Mira keeps 623 photos in the album, and her sister keeps 529 photos. How many more photos can be put into the album? So first of all, we have to find it out that what is the total capacity. So you can see in the solution that total number of photos an album can hold is 1600. We got it? And after that you see that Mira kept how many photos? It was 623, and her sister kept 529 photos already. So how many photos were already kept? You can just add them, and after adding you can see that inside the bracket 623 plus 529, it has been added firstly. So after adding we have got that is 1152. So that means these number of photos are already kept. And what was the total capacity? The total capacity was 1600. So after subtracting we will be able to get that how many more photos will be added in that album. So 1600 minus 1152, and we got answer as 448. Next question that we are going to talk about is number D. So everyone see that at a school library there are 3650 books in maths and 1110 books in Hindi. How many books are there in Hindi less than in maths at the library? That means the question says that you can clearly see that number of books of maths is greater than in number of books of Hindi, isn't it? So exactly that we have to find out that how many more books of maths are there as compared to Hindi. Okay, so just try out, write the number of maths books in the library, that is 3650. Again we have written number of Hindi books in the library, that is 1110. And simply if we have to find that how many more maths books are there, we just have to subtract them. And after subtracting, you see 0 minus 0 we will get 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer will be there are 2540 less books in Hindi than maths. Now the final question that we are going to talk about is number E. You see that in a barrel with capacity of 4500 bottles of oil, 2860 bottles are kept. Okay, out of this 1925 bottles of oil are removed. How many bottles of oil are left in the barrel now? So you can see simply it is written that 2860 bottles are kept. Okay. So 2860 bottles are kept in a barrel. So number of bottles removes, how many bottles are removed? That is 1925. So how many bottles of oil left? So we have just to subtract this one. So you see that it is what? 0 minus 5, that is not possible. So we have to take carry from the left side, that is 6. 6 will give 1 to the right hand side and it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now as 1 has been given to the right side, so 6 will become 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Again 8 minus 9 is not possible. So it will take carry from the left side. So it will become 18 now. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Now in the thousands place, that is 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So that means how many bottles left? It is exactly 935 bottles left. So I hope you all got this. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you ask me in the class. Okay.